Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Mackenzie, and as promised, I'm going to be bringing you guys a lot of Christmas shop with me's in the month of November. So today we are at Walmart, and Walmart had put mostly everything out, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you what they had. So for some odd reason, seeing these wreaths right here makes me feel so silly because I thought that I did not have a wreath last year for some reason. So I decided to go and watch my Christmas home tour from last year to kind of see what all I had, because we had a new home last year and I didn't have much and I hadn't been able to pull out my Christmas stuff yet. So I just wanted to watch that video so I could know. And the very first part of the video, there is a wreath on my door, and I was like, what in the world? So that wreath was actually from Walmart, and I went yesterday and just bought a wreath from Target. So I was like, are you serious? But it's okay, I can find somewhere else to put that wreath, and I'm really excited about the one I got at Target. But Walmart always has a lot of options too. I didn't show every single one of them in this video, but make sure you check Walmart because they are decently priced and they have a lot to choose from. So I'm really loving the camper and the truck theme this year. So wait until you see my Christmas home tour for this year. You're going to see a lot of that in there. I did add some of that here and there in my house. So I'm really excited about that. And what in the world? You guys see this slime? Reindeer poop and elf snot. What in the world? The things that they come up with these days. So if you are another YouTuber and you are watching this video, I want to give you guys some advice. If you've not already done this, go watch your home tour from last year so you can see what all you have. I know a lot of you guys have already started decorating, but I'm just going to decorate a little bit throughout the month of November, and then I'm not going to put my tree up until the day after Thanksgiving. That's just a tradition that I've gone with my whole life. I can't remember when I put it up last year, but I'm pretty sure that's what I did last year as well. And I'm just going to keep that tradition going for now. And so you guys will see my home tour sometime the end of November, the beginning of December.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside, and all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love
So when I got to this part of the store, this is when I got tempted. I saw all these little picks that you can put in your yard and that sign that says peace on earth. I really wanted it, but I was good. I did not buy any of this stuff as much as I wanted it. So yeah, you guys should be proud of me. I came in here to show you guys everything they have, and I did not buy one thing.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight.
So Walmart had gone ahead and started putting out some of the gift sets, so I wanted to show you guys some of that. And they have all of their Starbucks cups that are Christmas related out now too. So I wanted to pick me up some of those, but I didn't. And then I just realized that I lied to you guys like a minute ago, because I actually did buy something Christmas related. I bought a mini flocked tree. I did not need a big Christmas tree, but I did want to get a smaller one to put somewhere in my living room. So I did get that. It was only $25 and 4 foot. So I did good still, I think. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
And soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side.